In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filters to your images on your Canva design. So you can easily add filter by clicking on the image. Then at the top, you'll find edit towards the upper left or center. You'll find it right here to edit your image. Once you click on that and scroll down, you will find the filters. And here you can go ahead and you can just, scroll through or just click on see all and you'll see all filters. The filters allow you to change colors of your images or even colors of the clothes. As you can see right here, I can change it. It gives the more natural look. And as you can see, you can even do the different colors as you can see right here. Depending on whatever you choose, you can see either the face of the guy get lighter, or you can see somehow even like the clothes is actually changing to a different color as well. So, but it's all about the filter, right? So you can even go into cool filters as well if you want something like that more vivid, as you can see right here. And yeah, different options are really available to you within this. You can even, make it turn it into black and white if you want as well. So different options available to you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can add filters to your images in Canva.